川本家半熟卵絶対成功マニュアル。これでいつだって安定した半熟卵ライフが。
Hi, welcome to Cooking for Weebs. Today I'm making eggs according to the Kawamoto family manual for absolutely successful boiled eggs. This comes from the anime or manga March Comes in Like the Lion, which is a slice of life anime about a shogi player suffering from depression. But one of my favorite things about the anime is that they talk about food a lot. The Kawamoto sisters are frequently shown preparing food and talking about food. And food in the anime is used to convey feelings such as comfort, coziness, and most of all, family for Rei, our main character. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make the ramen eggs using their recipe. Enjoy!
1. 冷蔵庫から出したての卵を用意。急いでるときは冷蔵庫から出してすぐ茹でることが多いですよね。2. 卵の底に小さい穴を開ける。平たい方が底です。穴を開けておくと鍋の中で割れにくくなる。5秒でもか。
So here I am using a thumbtack to poke a hole on the bottom of the egg. Not really sure where that egg poking device comes from, but I sure like to get one.
3. 沸騰したお湯で8分茹でる。最初の2分くらいは箸でコロコロする。黄身が中心にくる。4. お水にとって冷ます。冷まさないとどんどん固まってしまう。
So I actually undercooked these eggs. You'll see them later.
長かった。今までの硬さのばらつきは室温に戻った卵、冷蔵庫から出したての卵、この2つをごっちゃにしていたせいだったなんて。
So in the anime, they eat this over rice and pork belly. You can see that's so beautiful. It's marinated. So I will show you a simple way to marinate these eggs, and they're perfect for ramen as well. In a mixing bowl, you want to put in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And then to that, you add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And then you add 1 tablespoon of sake. Lastly, you put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now mix it all up and make sure the sugar is completely dissolved. You want to gently peel the shell off your eggs and then put it into a ziplock bag. Next, take your marinade and pour it into the bag, making sure all your eggs are completely covered in the marinade. And you want this to sit overnight in the fridge so the eggs will absorb all the tasty flavors.
そう、この川本家の英知を結集し、数々の失敗を経て研究の末に探し当てたこの究極の半熟卵で作ったうまみたっぷりの煮卵が待っているというのに。
Okay, so my goal is to make these eggs look exactly how they look in the anime and taste like it as well. So when I cut open these eggs, it looks like it's a little bit too raw inside, not like how they did it, but it was still delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you make these eggs and watch the anime because it is such a good anime. The animation by Shaft is beautiful and it uses a lot of symbolism, so if you've watched like the Monogatari series, you would recognize that kind of theme. And also the characters are so well written and you really see their development throughout the anime, and that's why even though it's a pretty slow story with some kind of off elements about the shogi, you really get into it. And I'm currently binge watching it. I've been watching it like 5 hours a day. There's so many episodes and I can't wait to start reading the manga.